think of the last time someone at work just got under your skin. Didn't that cloud your objectivity of how you saw that person? What about our decisions? Who in here lets their emotions cloud their decision making? Come on, I can't be the only one. Yes, thank you. The rest of you are lying. Think about emotions, right? It affects our creativity, right? I don't know about you, but I can't think. Being creative needs vulnerability. Let me tell you something, and I will stand up here, and I am not saying I have some emotionally superb role models or I am emotionally perfect. I am a work in progress and a masterpiece at the same time, just like all of you. However, what I do know is what I struggle with, and what I struggle with is independence. And people are always surprised by that because I own my own company, a Weeby company, Weeby certified company, and all my employees are women, which I'm not saying anything to the men in here, but happy to say that we are all women. And the thing is vulnerability, to put yourself out there, to write a book for the world to judge when I lack independence and I care too much about what you all think, was so hard. But here's the thing. I was scared, but I was still brave. And you can be brave and afraid at the same time.